Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we're unveiling the Australian Lunar Series III 2026 Year of the Horse 1 ounce gold-proof coloured coin. Packaged in a beautifully illustrated shipper featuring the horse, the 7th animal in the lunar zodiac. It can be displayed alongside other shippers from previous issues in this series to create a diorama depicting all 12 auspicious animals of the great race. Struck from 1 ounce of 99.99% pure gold, the coin portrays a colored representation of a magnificent horse with elevated hooves displaying strength and poise. The background includes an image of mountainous landscapes and grassland. Included in the design is the Chinese character for horse, the inscription Horse 2026, and the Perth Mint's P Mint mark. Issued as Australian legal tender, it features the Dan-Thorn effigy of His Majesty King Charles III on the obverse, as well as the weight, fineness, and the monetary denomination. A stunning collectible for all those who follow the Australian Lunar Series or valuable keepsakes for people born in the year of the horse. This coin is subject to extremely limited availability. With a mintage of just 188, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.